Hi everyone and welcome back to Maths and Physics with Mr. Simons. Today's classroom lesson on trigonometry. We're dealing with diagram sums where we give you coordinates. Alright, this is the first variation of 4 ways we test diagram sums. Now in short, my trick breakdown, what I need to know for grade 11 is diagram sums, normally 10 marks, reduction which can be 4 to 6 marks. Identities 4 to 6 marks, general solution 4 to 8 marks, trig functions and trig in 2D. Right, that 2, 4, 6 questions makes up 50 marks of my paper 2 trigonometry. Right, that's just my breakdown. Now, given coordinates, in the diagram A is 7 and 24 is a point in a Cartesian plane. Right, so they've given it in the first quadrant there. If we close that, draw a line down, then A, which is, or the first value there is 7, which is x is 7, and y is 24. There it forms a 90-degree angle. So my y and my x value, I'm required to find my r value. Right, now they say determine the values of cos theta, sin theta plus cos theta, and then tan theta plus 1. So first, we'll always be required to first find the value of the unknown, which in this case is r. Right, so before we can solve anything, we're required to use theorem of Pythagoras to solve unknown side. So I can say c squared equal a squared plus b squared, a being 7 squared, b being 24 squared, so 49 plus 500 and something would give me 625. Right, so 625 equal r squared, square root of 625, it's plus minus 25. But here where r is always a positive, so therefore r is plus 25 and r not equal to negative 25. So we have x is 7, y is 24, and r is 25. So from the diagram, as I said, that's what I have. I should remember cos theta is x over r, sin theta y over r, tan theta y over x. Right? So cos theta equal here x, which is 7. And my r is 25, so 7 over 25. Sin theta, which is my y over my r value, my y is 24, my r is 25. Cos theta 7 over 25, 24 plus 7, 31, and my denominator stays the same, 25. And I have tan theta plus 1, tan theta there, y over x, my y value is 24, my x value is 7 plus 1. Right, and if I say 7 over 7, 24 plus 7, and gives me 31 over 7. So you can use a calculator to solve that. I just solved it without a calculator. So very important that you remember these trig ratios, because without them you can't solve the problem. Right, let's go to a second problem. So solve without a calculator. Determine the value of x in point B. Determine the value of, or values of, sine squared theta plus cos squared theta. So again, they gave me 13 there for the value of r. They gave me p, which consists of x, and a y value that is 12. So if I complete that right angle triangle, that means my y value is 12, while my r value is 13, and x is my unknown. So I first have to find x before I can solve anything else. Right, so 2.1, determine the values of x in point B. So there's x, my longer side, shorter side. So according to theorem of Pythagoras, x squared would equal 13 squared minus 12 squared. 169 minus 144, which is 25. And then from there, square root of x squared must equal plus minus, very important, plus minus square root 25. So x equal to 5. Or x equal minus 5. Right, so now to solve sine squared theta plus cos squared theta, sin would be y over r, so that's 12 over 13. Cos would be x over r, so x is 5, so therefore 5 over 13. 144 over 169 plus 25 over 169 gives me 169 over 169, which then equal 1. Right, so I hope you follow. Wish you nothing but the best. God bless. Bye.